Edison is having lower back pain that's actually affecting the whole leg, including the knee. So very short. You notice that, right? On the right side. Did you know that your leg is short on the right side? Do you know if it's anatomical or functional? You don't know. You don't know. Okay. Pelvis is restricted, and so is the the left side, very restricted. Good. Excellent. Good. And I'm going to measure the legs again to see if that made a change by adjusting the pelvis. So just a slight difference, but still a little short. So I'm thinking there's an anatomical short leg, which would contribute to imbalance that allows the weakness in the back to cause that herniation. Oh, nice. Nice.